my people now they go, how the matter they go. I hope so now they enjoy na summer. As this today yours be so the kind sun me they Jamie. On our very the sun they tear head. I never see this kind of sun one. Summer never come like this. Sun do the hammer head. You know say me I not feel wear shirt. I just say me I could come use like this now. Just come take talk some more things. You know how the matter they be. I guess some latest things when you supposed to hear. Now I just come here to Konya. Not the matter they be now. Those of you who never subscribe, I beg you now. Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mona click, see and subscribe there. Subscribe there. Na beg I did. Subscribe. Click that bell. Me everywhere they go. So that if I post any new video, you will see her. Subscribe. We'll go to the reason why we are here. For Ghana, Kasala don burst between two actresses there. Two actresses, yeah. Between two actresses, Kasala don burst. Not be small thing happen for Ghana. I see this story safe. My eyes make pull when they bust fight, that they bust bottle, that they bust everywhere. When they call their name safe, one they call his name as Sita Afia plus Freddy Rhymes. Sita Mafia. Which kind of be that? Which kind of Ghana the BSF? Sita Mafia and Sandy Rhymes. If you see fat, man, don't be so more fat for Ghana. They bust everywhere, they scatter everywhere. People they separate, they say lalayo, they say now today go home. They say get waiting this beef, it don't say when this beef they go home. They say now today in one hand, they scatter everywhere. Me can't even they beg because last week I go Ghana, go see one of my friends. Not to say I travel during this time of lockdown. I go Ghana for my dream. Now I tell Sinya, I even tell them for my dream, say, Mona no fat, they say lie, who be you? Wait till me one fit talk, they say lie, yo. They will continue fighting. They see the fight. Wait till I want to talk. Now I leave there. Those of them never see when they bust, that they fight, that they tear their hair, that they scatter everything. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
Chihuahua. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Come and say it to my face. Nobody Come and say it to my face. Come and say it to my face. Come and say it to my face. Stupid girl. I hope you didn't record that.
Shebi don't see what they show you. You don't see her. Put your picture here, me and they see them. See as their face be like today, man. It be like Marshall Akamu made them not so cool. You know why I would read this news that all these people they be star. And many people they look up to them. See the one and the fool na self like today, coronavirus. Una come fool na self, no, una come even fool na self past coronavirus. All these kind of people, it just be like people who don't you like that. You use skin take flog them because they know the year old don't me. Star now the fight for street. One are not pull way to now wear more no so now read the fight. Jackie Chan, star fighter. I bet more go to the next news, John. See this video, I see this video. I was so touchalized. I was so touched with this video. This video don't take. But when I see this video, it reminds me of something. It reminds me of particular something. Where this video reminds me of is Nigeria people. People that are just lazy, that don't want to do things. People that call themselves Christianity and they don't want to use their Christianity to do anything. Or they do, and they go church, or they do. Consider Christian. Put a picture for here as not the same. So now in bed be this one in bed. See the way him beg get open heart till they serve God. Him beg. I see this picture I see this video as a Christian. I said, nine, I can never pass this video. My fans, they need to see this video also. Now make me they play this video. See where he beg they use leg, they play keyboard. Not be even hard until they play, they use leg, they play keyboard. This is better they talk, say as far as say you they breathe, as far as say you get hope, as far as say you they live, your heart feel open. There is hope in life. Don't lose hope. Not be some people telling you just a pass. Why they read this news is that some people go just they pass Subotis. Subotis go just shake them, they go just lose hope. See where this is the thought say no matter what you are passing through, don't lose hope. As far as say you feel see they breathe, you feel see they do something, hope they, my brother. Look this Ibe. Those of you now will never see this video when this Ibe they manipulate keyboard with leg. Oh yeah, go Adelaba.
Amigo de vocês, tá vindo obrigado, Senhor. Muito obrigado, Senhor. Aleluia. Ah, Deus, eu te adoro, Deus. Obrigado, Senhor. Obrigado, Senhor. Aleluia, Jesus. Te adoro, Senhor. Te adoro, Senhor. Aleluia, Jesus. Ah, meu Deus. Ai, Senhor. Te adoro, Jesus. Te adoro mesmo, Senhor.
Shebi, you don't see him. You don't see where he bed they manipulate keyboard with leg. Nice one. God is your strength. No matter what, God will see you through. Nice one. We'll go to the next news. I don't know where from Nigeria ever since this coronavirus just take come out. Now so problem now would they get for social media for Nigeria. If this one no cry come and say doctor no dey take care of them, this one go cry come out say they no dey see food dey shop for the isolation center. This one go cry come out say water no dey make dem take dey bath for the isolation center. Or this one go cry come out say light no dey the isolation center. Why I be say Nigeria things they no dey, Nigeria things no dey always good. Nigeria cannot just do their thing in a good way. Everybody go just see and nobody go complain. Everybody go just be happy. Why I be like that? Nigeria cannot do things in a good way. When I use this, if I use the social media, I just dey say all this video. I just dey shake my head. Say why Nigeria? So Nigeria they hear their name for her side. Why? But this girl don't cry, come on. He says since when he did this isolation center, he don't dey go how many months. He say he never year go, he never know come, he never know which one he even did. Whether he even get coronavirus again or he not get, he never even know. If he do test result, he know they see. They go just put am for isolation center there. Not be today I don't read this news. I first read one news last week. When people see they complain for isolation center, I still dey read this one now. Government need to look all these things wetin dey really dey happen. Why people go dey complain for isolation center? Why people dey complain dey say things no dey work, things no dey work, things no dey work? Government need to look all these things. Those of una wey never hear when this girl dey by herself dey use the mouth dey talk how anything dey pass through for the isolation center. Oya, Gwadelaba.
Tell me your name.
My name is Gudia Benjamin. I'm one of the patients in isolation center. We have been facing a lot of challenges. Some of us have stayed here for 2-3 weeks, and the test has been conducted like 2-3 times. Anytime we conduct the test, at the end of the test, they will tell us that they have not seen our results. We should conduct another test. We will conduct, we will be waiting. They said 48 hours. We will wait, we will not see our results. We are tired of staying. We want to go home back to our parents. Our doctor should hasten the test process, because most of us have stayed here for 1 month, 36 days, 40-something days. We can't take it any longer. For me, I'm even tired. I don't know my fate. I've conducted the test. There's no result. I want to know if I'm still positive or negative. I'm tired.
Shebi you don see am. You don see am when they talk, say the way they live for isolation center. Almost people don dey there for 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 2 months. They never even, someone even reach a year. They never even receive result whether they get coronavirus or they not get coronavirus. You know, last week I felt us say Nigeria coronavirus na audio money. Na P-Square supposed carry this coronavirus come Mr. P abi Rude Boy. Now Rude Boy supposed carry come audio money. They know they see this coronavirus Nigeria out for high. Now only year we tell the year say they get, but we know they see the evidence say they get coronavirus. May I leave you now? Mona stuff they do now coronavirus there. We'll go straight to the next news. I don't know why during this time of coronavirus now, I don't know whether the coronavirus period now it can cause madness from some men body. It can't turn their brain upside down. They not gonna know what they do. Anything they are made, you tell them do. Now they just they do now. Last week, I first read news when one man they maltreat his wife, they beat his wife, like say na punch it back. This news today now, this week now, I still dey read another news when another man they beat his wife. I know just know, put the man. What did they worry? Now this coronavirus now can cause madness. I been it can cause no reasoning, because so now they go work again. So nothing go happen now for now to just the fact now this coronavirus can cause all this problem. Oh, God go punish coronavirus. Coronavirus no see life come. God go punish coronavirus. Coronavirus, you don't see what you cause. You don't make men now not the reason as men. You make men now the reason as baby. Now even their pikin now come the reason for the family. They say men are the head of the family. During this coronavirus now come children come the head of the family. You see what the coronavirus cause. Those of you now will never see when this man they punch his wife like this. Oh yeah, Guadelaba. Shebi, you don't see when this man they go and die a wife like this. Coronavirus don't cause things, so anything will happen now. If they put out coronavirus, not be maybe you do bad now, you say na handwork of devil. Not come be devil now, oh. Not be handwork of devil now. Now come the handwork of coronavirus. If anything happen now, you go say not blame me, blame coronavirus. Now God go punish corona. Coronavirus okay me now, but okay me. Coronavirus go know why you call Nigeria. You don't see. More than continue fighting. We go see on the other side. But we'll go straight to the next news. For worry. but I don't vex say I dey laugh. Because this news for me, it be like film. It be like film. Put them there. See the way like that back for inside bed. For worry, one boy don't me serious because this news not too serious. For worry, one boy don't lick Bekus, don't me. He lick Bekus kick bucket. You lick Bekus kick bucket. I don't even know as that one happen. I don't even know as I want to explain now. You lick Bekus, you kick bucket. Hey. Whether now this new, I go still invest. I just want to talk, and most of now go don't see the video, and the video they go viral. I just want talk so that me you know what they happen. This boy, me dey inside that bed, he lick Bekus and he kick buckets. Whether something did the Bekus, whether the Bekus carry spiritual weapon, whether the Bekus get bone, whether the bone go shook out for throat, we don't know. How person go lick? Those of like they lick Bekus, like me they show this video. You know yourself. Suffering the leak Bekus, not be up Bekus then the leak. Even though you know even kill the guy, not be up Bekus. Some Bekus dey like 1 year they never wash am. Some Bekus dey if you even put one now draw, you go they draw like ogbolo soup. Some Bekus dey. The smell alone if you kaput one room. Not be up Bekus na go the leak. Those of you that never see this video where they say the boy lick Bekus at meme. Oh yeah, go ahead about.
My people's not kill now, babe. My people's not kill, babe. You know, you see the matter now. Now, if my guy not gonna leave this guy, people call this guy now. My guy not die. Now, my guy don't die. Now, we have to do the legal. Now, you're rush. Now, you're sick now. Now, you're rough. Go now. Now, we take us. You don't pass 10 kids. Next time, let's see. Next time, you probably can put his wife or die. Why is it that
You don't see the video they still they do me one kind. The boy he lick Bekus and he die. Mona take time of Bekus licking. Take time of Bekus licking. You just see get for street, just see get for road, you carry a task, you begin the lick it Bekus like say you the shop mango. See what is the result. See the result of Bekus liquor. Those of now when they chop Bekus here. We'll go straight to the next news. As they go, put our fine daughter here. See fine pikin. This pikin they complete 1 year as he fine reach, so it be like pikin when they born for heaven, they come send and come earth, me come do prophecy. And be this one. Pikin where God han rage, as God think han rage, you see I say this pikin is too package. We and one send and go. Now he come send and go give one family. Now the family now he call me say Priest John I beg help us celebrate this our little baby, because when they take born this baby, ever since when they take born this baby, good things they come, money they come, things they come. What they never ever expect, say they feel do. They come they do one. Then they come say la oh. They say na person when you do good for, now they supposed to tell the good back. Now they come say me I can't wish this their fine baby harmony. Me I can't wish am happy birthday. Me I can't tell am say if father and him mother not forget am, they get the word for their heart. I wish you happy birthday. I celebrate you as you dey complete 1 year on the 26th of this May. Favor go dey follow you, happiness go dey follow you, things, many things go dey follow you, and your papa, your father, and your mother, plus your little brother, and then say, may I gather, wish you happy birthday. All of them gather, they can't give me the message, me I can't still gather with my fans. All of us now, they wish you happy birthday. I beg my people, let me wish this fine girl happy birthday. They celebrate your birthday, not easy to celebrate birthday. Happy birthday one more time. Enjoy your day. It's your day. You know what I'm doing? Enjoy. I beg me, Papa, not forget my cake because this show I the shop cake well and know now. Happy birthday. Enjoy. On the 26th, now be birthday. Let's go to celebrate time. Baby harmony. Happy birthday. Now what they doing now. Let's go to the next news. Hey my people, now y'all take here today. I beg, who never subscribe to my channel, I beg subscribe. If you never subscribe, I dey beg. Every day now they beg. Subscribe, so that me I dey get mad today. Read many news. Today talk man. You get some things where I know they talk. You get some things where I know they pull mad. As you subscribe now, I'll get mad today. Pull mad for all those kind of things today. You know there. You know the matter they be now. Subscribe. We already know who they here now. Now me they call Prince John. You know get a person mad go smell rich. We not fit use that man to drink water. Woman may not sabi sleep. Not supposed to go a friend that's go sleep. And that woman they sleep they open leg. And that a friend brother they smoke. Anything that woman see for that side. You go bear her. You know as the matter they be now. I still remain your humble boy. Happy summer. With coronavirus. Stay at home. Not go beach oh. You don't know who go back for that beach. Whether the person get coronavirus. This is just the word of wisdom. Stay at home and remain blessed. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace out.